My God is slow to anger when I go astray. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. For all of my betrayals, He will not repay. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Through mercy and compassion, His great love is proved. He covers my transgressions like the snow. As far as east from west are all my sins removed. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. He saved me from the pit when I had lost all hope. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. From endless springs of kindness, all His blessings flow. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Our days will fade like flowers and are quickly spent. And like the wind, our years will come and go. Everlasting favor is His covenant. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Bless the Lord. Merciful and gracious is my God to me. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. And I will tell His goodness through eternity. Bless the Lord, oh